The tool we're using for this is called Omakase.ai. I'll leave a link below. It's really beginner-friendly, works without any code, and you don't need to manually train it. It works with both physical and digital products, services, subscriptions, pretty much anything. But before we dive into adding the chatbot, the first thing you'll want to do is sign up for Shopify. To make things simple and to support this channel, you can head to ecomsensei.com/Shopify. This is my affiliate link, and it gives you a special offer. A free trial plus your first 3 months for just $1 per month. Once you're on that page, just enter your email, click Start Free Trial, and follow the setup steps. Shopify will ask you a few basic questions. Just answer what applies, and you'll be dropped straight into your dashboard. Next up, let's install the Omakase.ai app. This is the tool that powers the voice-enabled chatbot we'll be adding to your store. From your Shopify dashboard, look at the left-hand menu. Click on the Add button. Now here's a quick heads up. Omakase.ai might not show up in your recommended apps, and that's totally fine. Just scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Shopify App Store. It'll open up in a new tab. In the search bar at the top, type Omakase and hit Enter. You're looking for the app called Omakase.ai AI Sales Agent. Once you find it, click on it. Then hit the Install button. You'll be redirected back to your Shopify dashboard, where you'll need to click Install again to confirm. Once the app is installed, you might see a message that says, "We cannot connect your product data to Omakase.ai yet." No worries. That just means we need to link your store. To get started, simply click the Open Omakase.ai Dashboard button. A new tab will open. From there, just enter your Shopify store's URL and hit Continue. This will begin the connection process, so Omakase can access your product data and start building your AI agent. After entering your store URL, you might be prompted to create an account if you haven't already. Go ahead and sign up. The process is quick and straightforward. You'll just need to provide a few basic details like your name, email address, and a password. Once you're in, you'll start by setting up your agent persona. This is where you customize how your AI chatbot looks, sounds, and interacts with your customers. First, upload an avatar image, give your agent a name, and choose the language it will use. Then, you'll move on to voice selection, one of the most important parts of shaping your agent's personality. You'll see a variety of voice options ranging from casual and friendly to sleek and professional. Once you select one, click the Test button to hear a short preview.
Hi, I'm Hannah. This is a test recording of my voice.
If it doesn't quite match your brand, no worries. Just pick another and test again until it feels right.
Hi, I'm Lily. This is a test recording of my voice.
After everything's set, avatar, name, language, and voice, click Next to move on to the next step of the setup.